What if one rooftop dish could unlock India's next economic revolution? First, UNESCO says each added year of education boosts income by 10%. But in India's villages, bad internet kills online learnings. With Starlink, a kid in Ladakh could learn from a teacher in Bangalore. This is day 11 of Practical Systems Breakdown. Second, 70% of India lives in rural areas, but only 40% have access to a doctor. With satellite internet, e-doctors can finally reach patients without roads, diagnosis, prescription, even emergency response over a satellite link. Third, rural e-commerce could double India's online GDP. Imagine a weaver in Odisha listing on Amazon, a farmer checking prices, all possible when internet reaches village hands. Fourth, Jio and Airtel are now Starlink's boots on the ground, distributing, bundling, and monetizing. It's not just infrastructure, it's the beginning of India's next tech economy. But there's a catch. Each Starlink kit costs 30 to 40,000 to set up, plus 4K per month, too steep for rural users. And they haven't even cleared India's spectrum and security approvals yet, still stuck in red tape. The World Bank says a 10% rise in internet penetration is directly 1.2% of GDP growth. That's not just Wi-Fi. That's millions of jobs, students, and startups being born. India doesn't need 10 more unicorns in Mumbai. It needs 10 million minds connected in Odisha, Ladakh, and Chhattisgarh. If Starlink unlocks that, it's not just tech, it's an economic revolution. Follow now.